welcome back to Rihanna's Kitchen Corner. Today's video I'm going to share an easy, delicious chicken tacos recipe. Heat a saucepan. You can add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Now you can add thin slices of different colored capsicum and white onion. Saute until the veggie mix becomes soft. Now you can add the seasoning: paprika powder 2 teaspoons or adjust, cumin powder 1 teaspoon, onion powder 1 teaspoon, garlic powder 1 teaspoon, pepper powder half teaspoon, or you can adjust, and salt to your taste. Give it a mix. Now you can add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste and mix it well until everything combined together. At this point you can add a little bit water and mix. Add 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise and mix it well until everything combined together. At this point you can add 2 cups of shredded chicken. Chicken here cooked with a little bit of salt, pepper and lemon juice, and give it a mix until everything combines well. Here is our chicken fajita. Filling is ready. Just turn off the heat and keep it aside. You can add half cup of taco style Mexican cheddar cheese and mix it well. Here I am using the small corn tortillas. You can use flour tortillas as well. You can add filling in the center and place it on the greased baking dish. Now you can cover the filling with the mozzarella cheese on top. Bake it in the preheated oven 350 Fahrenheit for 15 to 18 minutes or until the cheese melts. our chicken tacos is ready to serve now. You can enjoy immediately. Thanks for watching, everyone. Hope you like this video. I'll see you soon back with another one. Bye. Take care.